Greetings and salutations. I am Dan Williams, mildly autistic photographer with a non-epileptic seizure disorder and an RV. Let me tell you the story of how I got my RV. So, today, in this super windy blusteriness, I'm going to be installing a vent cover over my bathroom vent so I can have the bathroom vent open when it's raining, whatnot, and not be soaked inside. So that's the attempt today, is this big project. Requires some drilling, things, yeah. Going to be interesting. Let's see what we gotta do. You place MaxXAir vent over the roof vent with the thing facing the rear of the vehicle. Yep, use a pencil to mark the slots for the mounting flanges. Then going to use a pen to mark through, and hopefully that will work. What's the brackets? Oh yeah. So I'm guessing. And oh, it is super windy up here today. Open up the parts bag. Ooh. Let's put the drill in here for now, so that doesn't blow away. Wait, so I need to see what I'm supposed to do next. What my next instruction was. Position a mounting bracket on your roof so it lines up. Okay, and the ones faced on the roof, max a straight plane to mount your bracket as close as possible to the outside corner of your existing. Okay. And then mark them, I guess. Yeah. So first we gotta do a bunch of marking. So I guess I'll take the bracket. That's those marked. Then it's marked, then drill holes through all them spots. So now I gotta figure out another way of keeping that from blowing away on me. Get the drill. Question is, how far down do I drill this? Because am I going all the way through my vehicle? No. Wait. Drill through the roof vent frame, drill through this thing. Okay, no, I am not drilling through the roof of the vehicle. No. Not doing that. Okay, that is good to know. Don't drill through this, or when doing this. Only drill through the vent cover. So that is good to know. And that direction. So let's drill them holes. That's metal, not plastic. Okay. Hopefully I don't kill my drill bit. There we go. Let's tighten that down a little bit. really hope I'm doing this right. Okay, I need to go down and raise my vent. All right, we're back with the roof vent raised. Oh, on to the next step. So let's put these brackets out. Okay, then we need the regular washer, lock washer, and nut with the one of the screws. Not let this get blown away. Don't lose the trash. That's problems. Because there's a lip on the inside of here. It's gonna make these uneven. So I don't, hopefully these will even go through. That'd be really disappointing if this doesn't work. These are not long enough. Where's the lock? Go ahead. There they are. And there's no room. These are not long enough to do this. Look where I drilled that hole. Yeah, I can move it over to this other spot and try to raise it. See that. You can't get a lip on this. I drilled my holes too low because of this stupid thing. What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? That is a problem. Problem. Maybe it's none of the. Oh. I have to see if I've got longer screws of the same size. That's what I'm gonna have to do. So I'm gonna look for something. Hopefully I have tools that will work. Okay, we're back with hopefully something that will work. Got a couple options. Basic screws. I think goes to the right size. Nice still. Yeah. Of course. They're different than that threading. Ooh. That is gonna be a problem. Threading differences. They don't have the right size. Those are way too big. Because these are wood screws that I have right now. Wonder if it'll hold it enough. Go away, bug. What do I have? I don't have anything else that can go on the other ends of these. toast. This is extremely problematic. Extremely problematic. This isn't going to work. Since the bolts they came with are too short. And because I drilled wrong. So let's see if there's any way I can adjust this. If there's anything I can do to salvage this. No, put the vent up too high. Which I can't lower right now, of course. Or back, maybe. Oh. Redo this, where this is actually going could work. It's just not. There's not enough room for these washers at all. And then even to get anything else, it's just not. Ugh. And this was not cheap either. And now I've got holes in my roof. I'm really not happy. Really not happy at all. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Guess I break out the caulking and seal those up until I can figure out what the hell the heck I'm going to do. No. Fiddlesticks. Very, very problematic. Wait. There's an idea. Let's see if I can go backwards. If I can do them the other way. Maybe this can work. Maybe we can make this happen. Need to do a little more drilling. A little more, basically dremeling is what I need to really do. But I don't feel like going down to grab my Dremel and having to plug that in. So we're going to cut with this. Yeah. Try to widen the hole so I can get around. Suppose I should do that on all these other holes too. Sorry you can't see this. And my drill's starting to die. Well, hopefully that was enough to make this thing work. I think it might. I think it might just. I think we've got a way to make this thing work for me. Where there's a will, there's a way. Yeah. Big washer, lock washer, nut. Before I get that on too tight, I should probably put the other nuts in place, the bolts. So windy! Let's see. So then I go over this here. That way down. What do you want to do? Hey, there's one in. Yeah, it's just too windy for the tripod to be up here. That's why I don't have it. That's why I only got one angle, but here, let's come in a little closer maybe. Maybe you can kind of see what I'm doing. Where's my shot? Okay, yep, we're wide enough, good. Put the screw in from the back side. Here, see if we get it in there. I don't know if I've got enough juice to adjust that hole. Well, maybe it'll be enough. It's getting so windy up here. Oh, come on. Come on, you stupid nut. That was a nervous part because I'm right on the edge. Of forever. At least the wind is blowing in towards the vehicle instead of out away from the vehicle. But we'll have to go back down and lower this again. I mentioned I don't like being on the edge. Oh, they're clean glasses. That's what I was afraid of. At least it's just my glasses and not me. Riding on the edge. That was when I really worry about this bag going away, because I got 2 parts left in it. Don't want to lose either of them right now. I'll win. And then let's get this bag into the pocket so it doesn't blow away. Now I'm gonna go lower this to the appropriate point. Okay, we're back. I lowered this down and I realized I should have tightened these things up. Grabbed the screwdriver, but I of course left this down. So, well, I'm sure it'll be good enough. Let's try these out. Oh my. So close to the edge. Now, there we go. And then I need the sawtooth washers on all of these. I'll show them to you here. Where's my cam? Out of focus, it's there, but I don't think it's really working. There it goes. See? Put the nuts on, and apparently it's okay if there's an air gap around it. It's supposed to be that way. Don't caulk it. It's supposed to be for condensate. I will definitely need to get the proper sockets up here. So I can do a fairly good finger tight, but I can do much better socket tight. There we go. Oh yeah, that ain't going nowhere. This thing off. Some other stuff. All right, excellent. We have success. I have a vent cover. Now I have my window open, my vent cover open. So, thank you for watching.